Product research really is one of the most important parts about selling on Amazon successfully. You need to have the right product idea to win. However, most product ideas just aren't very good, and it's hard to look through thousands of them at a time. If we want to make a lot of this, you're thinking about finding a product to sell on Amazon, then this video is for you. We're going to be leveraging the power of ChatGPT to try and solve this problem today. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you a free framework that will turn your product into a brand, which will make it worth more money. Now, there's 5 key things that I look for in a product, and these are from a book called Choose by Ryan Levesque. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you show me a list of potential Amazon FBA products where the market is evergreen, the customer is an enthusiast, there is a problem to solve, there are future problems to solve, and the customer can afford a better option. Now, ChatGPT is really good at showing you markets and not just products, which is important when we consider the fact that we want to build a brand that's sustainable, that makes us money for a long period of time, not just a quick little pop because of a successful product that then dies off. You can see here it's listed ideas such as kitchen gadgets and accessories, fitness and exercise equipments, pet care products, organizational tools and storage solutions, beauty and skincare, home devices. However, don't just pick any of these ideas at whim, because not all of them are created equal, and some of them in fact will lose you money. For instance, if we were to look at a product like a salt and pepper grinder, quite unlikely that we would have an enthusiast customer here that's willing to pay more for a better design, at least on Amazon. Then if we open up another idea that ChatGPT gave us, like pet supplies, see a brand like Zesty Paws selling something as niche as a urinary tract bite antioxidants, and they're selling 5,000 of those a month. Now we're looking at a snapshot of time where they're already successful, but there was a time where that market was not saturated with no big players in it, where you could have came in and built Zesty Paws. Does that make sense? It's important to note that if you realistically want to actually start doing this, I would avoid things as complex as smart home devices or gadgets that are maybe electronic of some kind, because it's going to be very difficult to manufacture those things in a unique way that's proprietary, that the customer has to buy it from you. Food, grooming tools, etc. Seems a little biased, don't you think? AI-driven pet care solution. But it seems to be pointing out the fact that we have grooming kits here, we have grooming kits right here, grooming tools. So why don't we go look into specific pets and grooming tools for those pets and see if we can find an idea in that. Type grooming tools into the search bar, the Helium 10 software. It's actually going to show you keywords that come before what you're looking for. So I can now see dog, cat, horse, and why don't we do horse grooming tools? You want to compete against old, boring competitors that seemingly don't really know what they're doing. So name brands aren't necessarily the problem. It's not big brands you should be scared of. It's not big reviews you should be scared of. It's sellers who are playing the game really hard that you should be scared of. Paul, but I don't know how to play the game hard. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't create a great presentation. Well, then I have a private community down below that'll teach you all that. So for instance, here we have a leather grooming kit for horses in which the horse is not shown in any single image. Mane and the tail brush, so it is clearly for that animal. And they're selling nearly $40,000 per month with essentially a horrible listing. Now, it would be difficult to describe in just this video how the brand building process works. So remember at the beginning of the video, I mentioned I'd be giving away a brand building framework. Well, if you click the link in the description, you'll be able to watch this 30-minute video that covers that topic exactly for free. I'll see you over there.